Let us understand the step-by-step process of booking a PF payment in StrategicERP. Navigate to the PF payment form under the Statutory Management module. The voucher number, name of company and date will be fetched automatically. Select the date, month and year on which PF payment will be made. Based on your selection, details under the PF Entries tab will be auto-populated. To view the calculation and employee details, click on the Details tab. The interest and penalty will be auto-fetched from the Interest Master form. You can also enter them manually if they are not fetched automatically. Enter the pay from project and bank account name. Select the Challan check date. Enter the Challan check number. Save the data so it will be stored in the draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of booking a PF payment is now complete.